What's up, my guys? Good morning. Happy New Month. Happy New Year. This is Forex, the lead channel program into information again. Is on the 1st of December 2024. So, compliment of the season and a big shout out to those who have been supporting us as a team, as a brand, and as a company. I want to say big thank you and a big shout out. Although our YouTube videos have been reducing, and it seems like those are not watching anymore. So this is our weekly chart analysis breakdown where we discuss our week day in, day out of the week, how we do trade and how I trade when. No, few months ago, I have not released any videos based on I was sick. I was having some electronic issues, so which affect me a lot. So today we'll be resuming those big, big stuff. So without waiting much for time, you all know that every first day of the week, every Saturday, every Sunday of the week, I always release a banger for all of us. Why am I releasing those banger? Is because I want us to refresh our heart, even including my students and my mentees. So I want us to refresh our head so we understand why I would make us to go straight. And secondly, our free weekly Forex chart analysis will be coming. Our free monthly Forex class will be coming up this month, free of charge. We are not charging any fee, we are not charging any time. Just come and learn Forex. There's one thing they always say. They always see that you may not start it right. You may not start it right, but you may end it right. So this is December. Let's begin our chart analysis. Rundown. Our class from tomorrow. Shara. So let me show you that. This is on June Wednesday. We all know that first thing in the morning, first thing we do is we go to the 4 hour, immediately we pray, we give thanks to God who make us to see the next day, because it's not easy. Some say prayer does not work, but I believe more pray and God have been showing mercy. So go to the 4 hour time frame. Immediately we come to this 4 hour time frame. What do we go to this 4 hour time frame to do? We go to 4 hour time frame to determine our high of the Lord. Why do we determine this high of the week? Is to help us know the overall trend or the overall movement of the whole chart for that week. So with the first and the second candle breakout. So if the second candle is lower than the candle, we put the horizontal, we will mark out the zone. So if the third candle breaks above, we'll be expecting more of buy. That is where you see this black line coming. If it breaks above, we'll be expecting more of buy. If it breaks below, we'll be expecting more of sell for that week. So immediately we do that, we go to a 1 hour time frame for confirmation, where we write, where we run, or we stop, blah, 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 blah. So immediately that confirmation, we go to the 15 minutes time frame. Immediately we come to the 15 minutes time frame, we come to the 15 minutes time frame to our entry as a day trader. So let me show you the trade we took during the week. As you can see, I would say this is our first trade of the week. I think we ended up breaking even because immediately this price breaks out, we took the trade and we ended up taking challenge. We ended up breaking you. So immediately come to this zone. What do I have to help on this zone was number one, there was this horizon, this trend line is coming from far distance. So immediately I saw this, I have to enter. You see this week rejection 1, 2. So almost hit our stop loss. But we allowed the trend to move. So immediately it's our stop loss. Immediately continue. So we have a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, almost 1 to 3 closer. So immediately come to this zone here. I wanted to an entry. Then when I took this entry, I sent this thing to my Telegram channel. If you're not my Telegram channel, I will say that you are missing a lot. That you as a person, you're missing a lot. Join the Telegram channel where we teach people how to trade day in, day out. So normally when we took loss, I could not trade for the fee for the most trade. So that is how our trade when we ended up taking 2 loss, 1 profit, and that 1 profit covered the both left and we are still up 1%. So if we take you to SAUSD, which is good, our hobby, our best friend. So in contrast to USD, yeah, gold US dollar, that's what I see when they mean. So you know that we go to the 4 hour time frame. When we go to the 4 hour time frame to determine the overall trend of the chart. So maybe we determine that, then we go to the 1 hour time frame for confirmation. Confirmation, is it bullish, is it bearish, all those blah 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 blah. So we go to confirmation. We go to confirmation, we're moving. We go to the 15 minutes frame. So let me show you the chart, the trade with you. So this was our first trade for the week on a gold US dollar. Immediately I saw this chart. Immediately I saw this chart like this, and this is a WAM pattern. For those who call it M pattern, they can call it a double top. But to me, I just choose, I call it a move pattern because it's just at the end. So immediately I saw this double top here. I was waiting for price to break out, to break below it. Immediately, if it breaks below it, it has given me a confirmation of price is selling. So if it did not break below it, that means I have no entry. So I use this line to mark out the zone. Immediately it breaks below it, I took an entry. Immediately we took this entry, we took the entry and we send it to the TL. I not send it to TL. Then we ended up eating the one to smash. We just took print of candle. No, this is the month of, this is the last month of the year, and a lot of liquidity won't be on the market anymore. So immediately the price come to the zone, I wanted to buy because there's this psychological level here, and there's this psychological level here, and there is this like a 50 movie, yeah, exponential moving average. So I buy, we ended up taking loss. So I remember I sent this signal to the Telegram channel. So immediately the price walks in. I saw this W pattern. You can see one, two. So immediately this bullish engulfing, it has breached the neckline. I took an entry here. So immediately we just go to 1 to 2, I hop out. So that was it. So here now, where was the trend we took? So we took this trade, mainly confidence. So I used the trade line to determine it took on it. This trade was the most difficult, was one of the most difficult trade for the week. But why I say it's one of the most difficult trade for the week was because I took this entry price consolidated, 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 consolidated. I had to walk out. So only I walked out there, the price pushed on, then it keep tanking. That was how I did it. We ended up taking having five profits, five, we ended up taking five, five TP, and wow, and gold, we ended up taking five TP, one loss of gold. That was how our day, our week went, trading SAUS dollar. So let's also look at it. Let's quickly go to the next. This is on GBP USD. To those who understand or the new things understand what is GBP USD. GBP USD simply means Great British Pound US dollar. So in talking about the Great British Pound US dollar, so it's the same thing. We go to the forward time frame to determine our high of the week. Then immediately we determine the high of the week. We sorry guys, immediately we determine the high of the week. We ended up confirming this was our first trend. So this trend, I remember that this was a flash, a gap. So you know, normally a gap, when there's a gap is when trade does not take place. If you want to understand what gap is, go and watch this my video on the screen, because I have talked about gap many times. Even on my live Instagram, my first Instagram my life I took. was a bad gap. So I just have to choose my entry price, keep counting. The liquidity of the market is reducing. So I think we ended up breaking even or one-to-one close up. So nearly trade again. So I was anticipating for price to come to this. So let me delete it. So we can see it very well. I was anticipating for price to come to this zone the second time. So we could buy. But price could not come. Then when it come to this zone, I wanted to take a short. We ended up taking loss. So throughout the week, we have a bank holiday, Thanksgiving Day. So there was a massive chopping or consolidation. So price come to this zone. We took a sell, we eat up. That was our week one. One break even, two loss on GBP, USD, one break even, two loss. So let me take it to GBP, JPY. We all know that the way the liquidity is doing and the market is somehow. So I decided to adapt GBP, USD, and USD, JPY. So immediately the price, this was the only chart price we took. This was the only this thing we took on the market. So immediately I saw price pushing up to this zone. I have to take an entry. Immediately I took an entry. This was on the Thanksgiving. The price continued to consolidate. I did not close out, and I instructed everybody on the Telegram not to close out. If you want to see how I am doing this from scratch, join my Telegram channel using the link on the comment section. Join our Telegram channel. So, meaning that happened, we ended up doing everything in there. So that was how we took this massive trade. So let me take it to GBP, JPY, USD, JPY. I show you the same channel too. You will see this GBP, JPY almost hit our F-cell. He come back, Thanksgiving Day was consolidated. I have to wait. Immediately during the Asia session, he hit our TP. And that was our week with recovering some of our losses on USD JPY and GBP JPY. So without wasting much of time, what are we expecting for the week? What are we expecting for this coming week? Is that we're expecting market to be low volatile because it's December and a lot of investors are pulling out. A lot of investors are pulling out of the market because some will be traveling based on vacation, etc. So there will be low volatility on the market. So number two, what are we expecting? I'm expecting the DSY to be strong. What is DSY? DSY is just simply the United States dollar index that determines the strength of the dollar. So we're expecting the dollars to be strong. And I'm expecting gold. Our analysis is gold to keep strong, gold to be buying, while the other pairs will weak. So without that wasting much of it, guys, time a lot. So let's quickly do a quick recap of everything we have been doing on this place today. A recap. Page 4. Hi. Hello. Good. Huh? You're trying to confirm trend. Thing is entry. So we talk about the low, the USD JPY trend. So our main topic was how we took the trades during the week, and during none of the week. So if I'm not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and click on that also notification. So each time I post a video, YouTube can easily get notified. The year is running to an end, and I was anticipating of 1K. So let's see how it goes before the year goes out. Please don't forget to join our free over December Forex class that is going to be out next this week, starting from tomorrow.